I don't know if I'm on a rant or what. So again, I ask for forgiveness right now. But what I'm saying to you, family, is that we can't get caught up in the belief of, hey, I've gotten my PMP. I went to this boot camp and I got my PMP, and then we put all the material aside and we don't do anything further. And then we're frustrated when we're at job interviews and they're asking us basic questions and we're unable to answer them. There's this channel out here that's giving you knowledge, giving you value for free. There's the book I wrote around the magnetic project management. I'm like I said, I'm going to. I don't know what happened, but it was just that conversation that I had with that director that taught me I'm not doing enough. And it was a fundamental move. And you're like, man, Cole, you've been playing ball since you was 8, 9, 10 years old, or even younger than that, 3 years old. Like, why are you still? Because he appreciated the craft. And sometimes as PMPs, and sometimes as CAPMs, and sometimes as ACPs,